The dingo, a unique canine species native to Australia, has been capturing the hearts and minds of people worldwide. Originating from Southeast Asia, dingoes made their way to Australia thousands of years ago, possibly arriving as early as 4,000 years BC. Dingoes are not domesticated dogs, as they have a distinct genetic lineage separate from domestic dogs and wolves. They are the only pure dingo populations in the world, and they play a crucial role in the Australian ecosystem. Dingoes are agile, intelligent, and highly adaptable, capable of surviving in diverse environments, from the arid deserts to the lush rainforests of Australia. Their slender bodies, pointed ears, and bushy tails make them resemble wolves, but their smaller size, around 30 to 40 pounds, sets them apart. Dingoes are solitary animals, often roaming vast territories to hunt for food. They primarily prey on small mammals, reptiles, and birds, and their presence helps control pest populations. Dingo packs are rare, and when they do form, they consist of a male, a few females, and their offspring. Dingoes have an unusual method of communication. They use a variety of vocalizations, including howls, growls, and barks, to communicate with each other. The dingo's role in the Australian ecosystem is not without controversy. Some argue that they prey on livestock, causing issues for farmers. However, research suggests that dingoes actually help keep fox and feral cat populations in check, reducing damage to livestock. Dingoes are protected in some parts of Australia, but they are still hunted in others. Efforts are underway to conserve this fascinating species and maintain the balance in the Australian ecosystem. The dingo's unique history, mysterious origins, and crucial role in the ecosystem make it a fascinating subject for study and conservation. Next time you visit Australia, keep an ear out for that distinctive howl. You might just hear the call of the dingo.